Today we're in Singapore and we're about to check out the Trick Eye Museum. Trick Eye is a world-renowned 4D museum, also known as an optical art museum, that originated in Korea. Visitors download an app on arrival and then scan the quirky exhibits with their mobile devices, and voila! Paintings and installations are brought to life. Let's have a look at what happens when I use the app and put it over this simple looking bookcase behind me. Hold the app in front of the scene here. If you have a look at the phone, you see how in that same scene you can now see the couple dancing. Amazing, huh? It's all done using augmented reality technology, which allows virtual objects to be overlaid on real-world environments and objects in real time. And the best thing is visitors can join in the fun too. Alright, this next one here is called The Art of Love, which will work really, really well if you're with somebody, like your partner or your wife or your boyfriend or girlfriend. Trick Eye opened in 2014 and was the first overseas venture of this gallery outside of South Korea. There are more than 80 paintings and optical illusions to check out. And there really is something for everyone. From the spooky to the spooky to the bizarre. There are 6 themed zones with many great opportunities to take pictures. And just as many opportunities to act like a goofball. Trick Eye comes from the French words tromper, which means to turn 2D paintings into 3D images via optical illusions. One of my favourites was the electric blue dragon. But I did also enjoy dancing with the girls. There are also a couple of paintings that are unique to Singapore. These super speedy racehorses and this dazzling Merlion. And this one really had me climbing the walls. Hey folks, thanks for joining me on my trip today to Trick Eye Museum here in Sentosa in Singapore. I really enjoyed it. It's a really cool, funky, quirky kind of place, and it was a hell of a lot of fun. If you are going to come here though, I would recommend you bringing at least one friend with you, so at least they can take some photos for you, and you can share in the laughs and share in the fun, because this is the kind of place that really should be enjoyed by more than one person. I did get a few strange looks from the locals just wandering around, taking my own shots here and there. But yeah, definitely recommend this place, but definitely recommend that you bring some friends along. Okay, well, that's it from me today. Hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button down below, and even better, if you could subscribe, that would be fantastic. Until next time, folks, we'll see you later.